A forest of small pine trees is nice when the work is done. But when you have hard work ahead, Kobelco stands tall above the rest, slicing through the underbrush to deliver world-class performance. In this video, we will show you how the new Generation 10 Kobelco SK210LC-10 chopped down the Komatsu PC210-LC-11, making kindling of the small pine tree, or better known in Japan as Komatsu. Introducing the new Generation 10 SK210LC-10 excavator from Kobelco. This machine is the newest, most innovative and powerful excavator in the industry. The SK210LC is built at our modern manufacturing facility in Spartanburg, South Carolina. To support our world-class excavators, we have a team of over 177 Kobelco Construction Machinery U.S.A. employees that are dedicated to total customer satisfaction with each and every Kobelco machine on the job site. In this video, we will show you how the Kobelco chopped down the Komatsu PC210LC-11. But first, let's start with the basic specifications. The SK210LC-10 weighs in at 49,400 pounds and is powered by a Hino J05E series diesel engine. This engine is Tier 4 final, meeting all current EPA standards. And at 160 net horsepower at 2,000 RPM, this engine is among the most powerful in its weight class. In other applications, this engine produces 210 horsepower, so there is ample reserve for durability. Hino engines are a wholly owned subsidiary of Toyota and is a high-performance, workhorse engine that is known for durability, efficiency, and reliability. It's also more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly than most of our competitors. And because it's in a Kobelco, it's completely supported by your local Kobelco dealer and Kobelco Construction Machinery U.S.A. The Komatsu PC210LC-11 weighs in at approximately 53,882 pounds and is powered by a Cummins license-built engine that is manufactured by Komatsu. This engine generates 159 net horsepower at 2,000 RPM. The proof is in the job site performance, where power meets efficiency. You will see how the Kobelco technological advantages translate into extra production, economy, efficiency, and superior job site performance. To do this, we ran these machines in a competitive environment using the same operator to clearly show the superiority of the Kobelco. First, we positioned both machines in the same area to conduct this digging test. The Kobelco offers superior breakout force and pump flow. And even more important to note that the Kobelco continues to provide more flow than the Komatsu as the pressure increases due to the unique use of engine power. Kobelco also has the added advantage of having double pump flow to any single attachment function in use. This dramatically increases the speed of the machine. Komatsu does not have this feature designed into its machine, and it shows up in this production comparison. The Kobelco SK210LC outproduced the Komatsu in this competitive digging test by 56.2 cubic yards per hour, or an approximately 19% advantage for Kobelco. Combine this with a 16% increase in fuel efficiency, and you can see how much more profitable to your overall operation the Kobelco could be. To help cut through the heaviest material, all Kobelco excavators offer Power Boost by simply pushing the Power Boost button on top of the right-hand joystick. This increases your maximum digging forces by 10% with no limit. Komatsu does offer a Power Boost type system, but limits its use to only 10 seconds. You might ask yourself, why? Another important feature that Kobelco offers is automatic swing priority. This system enables the operator to cut an edge on a ditch or swing a heavy load uphill with full-rated swing crowding force without having to manually switch to swing or trenching modes. Kobelco Swing Priority automatically disengages for normal digging with no need for manual adjustments. This system can actually add performance to the swing during digging operations. Like all Kobelco excavators, the SK210LC is built to last. This excavator was designed for hard work and features heavy-duty components throughout. For example, the X-shaped car body is designed to resist the distortions that could result from heavy lifting and severe traveling conditions. The car body is connected to the crawler side frame using high-quality welding along the height of the crawler side frame to axle connection. This ensures long component life by allowing stress to flow from the front end down through the car body and into the crawler side frames without encountering high stress points that could eventually lead to failure. Notice the unusual offset of the Komatsu car body attachment. This could be a concern in the long term, causing costly structure issues. The SK210LC is equipped with a 14-foot 7-inch undercarriage and 31.5-inch shoes as standard equipment. This puts plenty of track on the ground for maximum stability during lifting or digging operations. The rugged design of the undercarriage also features heavier and stronger components. The idlers, lower rollers, and carrier rollers are lifetime lubricated to ensure reliable performance. The factory lubricated track links are strutted and feature flexible seals to keep water and dirt out and lubrication in. Kobelco features a triple track guide design on each side frame assembly with 3 lower track guides as standard equipment. This compares to a 2-track guide design in the Komatsu. Which would you rather take on your tough job site? Kobelco designed its main hydraulic control valve to incorporate a standard auxiliary valve section. The auxiliary valve provides bi-directional flow as well as unidirectional flow for hammers. Flow and pressure to the bi-directional valve is adjustable between single and double pump flow right from the operator's cab. Double pump flow to the bucket circuit for reduced cycle time is standard. The control system offers up to 18 attachment presets and built-in plumbing, saving time when switching attachments, which increases productivity. In order to evaluate the lifting and load placing abilities of both machines, we positioned each on a level surface and swung this 10,210-pound load over the side until the machines began to tip. The Kobelco moved the load out to a distance of 27 feet 11 inches. We did the same lift with the Komatsu and lifted this load and out to a radius of 27 feet 5 inches. Advantage: Kobelco. Swing is important to any construction machinery's operation. This will have a direct impact not only on digging production, but on the machine's ability to crowd ditches, to swing a heavy load uphill, or to quickly start and stop a load under the most demanding digging conditions. For this reason, we decided to put both machines on a 20-degree incline and try to swing a 10,210-pound load uphill. Again, the Kobelco cut down the Komatsu by swinging this weight out and up the hill to a distance of 16 feet 7 inches. This compared to a mere 16 feet 3 inches by the Komatsu. Again, advantage Kobelco. To further illustrate the superior swing torque of the Kobelco, we rotated each machine and then initiated the arm in function to stall. This is to simulate side digging and excavation. As you can see, the Komatsu actually slowed down, while the swing speed on the Kobelco actually increases. All of these features are designed to help this machine be the most productive excavator you can have on your job site. The SK210LC is a very maneuverable excavator. This machine has a 2-speed propel system that shifts between high and low based on work condition. In high-speed mode, the SK210LC is a champ when it comes to travel speed, at 3.7 miles per hour. Compare this to 3.4 miles per hour for the Komatsu. This is important on large job sites or pipeline projects, allowing you to get to the job quicker and less time traveling, and more time digging means more productivity. In low-speed mode, this powerful undercarriage offers the highest drawbar pull in its weight class at 51,500 pounds, compared to 45,349 pounds for the Komatsu. To demonstrate Kobelco's superior hydraulic performance, we ran both machines uphill in low-speed travel. This shows the brute power of the engine and hydraulic system. As you can see, the Kobelco clearly dominated the small pine, demonstrating that the Kobelco can tackle any terrain, no matter how difficult the ground conditions. The Kobelco SK210LC is equipped with an isolated travel propelled circuit as standard equipment, allowing the operator to propel and lift this load while walking in a straight line. Watch what happens when the operator attempts to do this same function with the Komatsu machine. it is not able to propel and lift this load at the same time while maintaining full control of the load and attachment. Just think how important this would be on pipeline projects or large construction sites. One exclusive feature of Kobelco excavators, as well as all Kobelco crawler cranes in the world, is independent travel. This allows the operator to propel, position, and swing a load simultaneously. The machine will maintain a constant travel speed regardless of what the operator does with the front-end attachment. This system is unique in the industry. To make the job site safer, the SK210LC comes standard with combination swing flashers and rear work lights. This will help warn people around the job site when the machine is beginning to swing. This is very important on crowded job sites or on city streets. Compare this to the red tape that is on the Komatsu machine. Which would you prefer on your job site? The SK210LC is also equipped with 3 halogen lamps on the front and 2 rear work lights as standard equipment. This allows you to work in less than optimum conditions, making the machine safer at night. Good visibility is a very important safety consideration on any job site. The Kobelco has excellent visibility out of the front and top of the machine, providing the operator with an unobstructed overhead view up to the point of the boom and attachment, and helping them watch out for power lines and other overhead obstruction. There is also a rear camera as standard equipment, allowing you to see any objects that might be around you. In addition, all Kobelco cabs feature ROPS and ISO Level 2 FOPS, protective overhead guard for the operator's safety, as standard equipment. You would think that the small Pine would also feature standard overhead FOPS, but no, the Komatsu cab is only a ROPS design. Again, advantage Kobelco and an advantage for the safety of the operator. The comfort of the operator, as always, is a high priority in the Kobelco design. This cab is one of the industry's largest, helping to ensure that the operator has plenty of elbow room. For year-round comfort, Kobelco has designed a climate control system that will keep the operator warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It will even display temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit or centigrade. The cab has 2 air filters, one for outside inlet air and one for inside recirculation air. Replacement is easy with both filters located just behind the operator's seat. Many operators in North America operate the machine with the doors and front window open. Kobelco considered that by positioning the 4 rear AC outlets directed at the operator and one below the monitor, because we know that a comfortable operator is more productive. Compare this arrangement with the Komatsu vents that basically blow straight up so the airflow to the operator is blocked by the seat. Which do you think will keep your operator cooler and more productive? For the operator's enjoyment, the SK210LC comes standard with an AM/FM radio with USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary connections. All of these design features are to help make your operator comfortable, and a comfortable operator is a productive operator. Where Kobelco really chops down the competition is in our new control system. This is the most advanced control system on the market today. Located on the monitor, right above the engine coolant temperature gauge, are the H, S, and E work mode indicator lamps. H is the default mode for all North American Kobelco excavators. This mode allows the operator to utilize the maximum output of the machine for more productivity. It's perfect for mass excavating or cross-country pipeline work. S mode stands for standard mode and is useful for job conditions requiring multiple phases of operation, such as laying sewer pipe. Standard mode further enhances the fuel efficiency of the machine when maximum speed is not required or desired. The E or Eco mode is used when maximum fuel economy is preferred over high-speed operation. It maximizes efficiency of the machine as measured in relationship between the number of cubic yards moved versus units of fuel used. It is easy to slow down a fast machine, but very difficult to speed up a slower machine like the Komatsu. Additionally, there is a green eco light inside the fuel gauge that lights up during times of economical operating conditions to further encourage efficient operation from your operator. This is a positive encouragement versus Komatsu's frequently nagging alarm and flashing icon, warning you of inefficient operation. Which would your operator prefer? To also help with economical use, Kobelco has the AIS or Auto Idle Stop system. When engaged, this system will automatically stop the engine after an operator-assigned amount of inactivity. This eliminates wasteful idling during standby,
saving fuel and reducing CO2 emissions.
Preset modes like breaker and nibbler can be engaged at the touch of a button. In breaker mode, the operator can quickly adjust the pump flow and pressure rates for various attachments like hammers and tampers, as well as check the pressure of these attachments from the comfort of the cab. For optimum operation of a hammer or similar attachments that could be sensitive to return oil back pressure, the return oil goes directly to the hydraulic tank to minimize return back pressure. Nibbler mode is for bi-directional attachments, such as shears that can require up to double pump flow. As many as 18 tools can be preset for pressure and flow with this system. Maintenance on an excavator has never been easier than on the new SK210LC-10. For example, routine maintenance on the engine is made easy with plenty of access to all major checkpoints. The radiator is a tropical cooling system, which is a heavy-duty cooling package that is standard equipment on all North American Kobelco excavators. The extra openings in the side doors allow more airflow across the side-by-side radiator, intercooler, and oil coolers. And to keep the coolers clean, there is a removable screen. On the PC210-11, it is also side-by-side for the radiator and oil cooler. But the turbo intercooler and AC condenser are a stacked design, requiring and utilizing a complicated and expensive swing-out frame system for service. To help protect the side of the machine against accidental minor damage, the Kobelco has triangle-shaped guards built into the side of the machine as standard equipment. The PC210 also has a guard to protect the machine, but the guard continues under the operator's cab, making it difficult to enter or exit the machine, possibly causing ankle or shin contact to your operator as they enter or leave the operator's cab. The tandem mount design of the Kobelco main pumps eliminate the need for additional gears and bearings, common to a side-by-side mounting like on the Komatsu machine. This type of mounting will add additional maintenance costs that are unnecessary and could cause major downtime. The side-by-side design introduces wear and heat that is common to all gearboxes, and this is transferred directly to the machine's hydraulic system. Also, the main pump's hydraulic oil tug and piping is near the lower guard plate. This is an area that will most likely get bent upwards by rocks, wood, or rebar from the tracks, causing you major downtime. Compare this to the Kobelco design that has over 6 inches of clearance above the lower guard plate. With Kobelco's self-diagnostic system, you can check dozens of different service items to help maintain peak performance. The system also has a 100-event fault code memory with timestamp to identify any potential trouble issues. This information is viewable from the cab's control console as well as remote viewing via the Kobelco Komatsu system. This helps diagnose issues quickly, which means more productivity and uptime at the end of the day. From the cab, the operator can monitor all engine, electrical, and hydraulic functions, including engine RPM, hydraulic pressures, when the next oil, lubrication, and filter changes are due, and much more. Being able to review machine data like this eliminates the need to use complicated tools or computers. In the event that the SK210LC-10 needs support, it's likely the owner already knows about it. This machine is equipped with the Kobelco Monitoring Excavator System, or Komexis. With Komexis, you can check location data, operating hours, fuel consumption data, work status, maintenance data, and warning alerts using a global system of satellites or cellular connection technology. The information is accessed using an internet browser and protected by a user ID and password. With remote machine management being a growing need for today's owners, Komexis makes you proactive, and it is free of charge for up to 3 years. No one else makes it this easy. Throughout this machine, we have incorporated a lot of standard equipment not found on the Komatsu. For example, the arm comes standard with a vertical reinforced rock guard. This protects the arm's inside plate from being crushed when the operator accidentally curls the bucket in with a full load. The standard boom and arm is reinforced to handle severe demolition jobs. This includes a reinforced bucket idler linkage. Compare this to Komatsu's boom, which is not equipped for such heavy-duty work. To make using attachments easier, Kobelco has configured the boom and arm with tap blocks for easy installation of auxiliary piping.
Additionally, the bushings used at the bucket-to-arm connection employ a unique flange design that places a hardened steel and replaceable flange against the bucket to eliminate sidearm wear as the bucket rotates. This area is further protected with a large O-ring seal and double lip seals on the arm side to seal in grease and seal out dirt.
As you can see, the SK210LC-10 took the small pine to the woodshed, as we illustrated one by one the superior performance and features of the Kobelco. The SK210LC-10, where power meets efficiency, making you more productive and fuel efficient. For world-class performance, commitment to quality and reliability, Kobelco Construction Machinery USA. Driven by passion.